Hey there, like to share my review and unboxing of this pocket knife box. Now, I'm also going to show you something else that I'm using in it, seeing as my kids don't have a huge collection of pocket knives. But for starters, you do have the handle. It does have a Velcro strap on it, so that will help keep it closed. But the zipper is really, really nice as well. But just in case, you want that extra security. So when you go ahead and open this up, you know, it's quite wide, and you can see here by my few pocket knives that I found that my boys have. Plastic here is actually quite stretchy. It wasn't hard to get these things in there, and even if they do overlap a little bit, you can just kind of stagger them. But you've got 4 slots, and you've got 6 elastic strips, so you could get a lot in here. So this is just one row. Then you've got the cover, then you've got another row, and another row, so that's 3, and then a cover and a 4th one. So because I'm an essential oil educator, I wanted to also showcase that you could use this for tinctures and essential oils as well. And so the oil bottles fit really, really well in here, even the roller bottles. And so I think this would be a great carrying case, and I think I'm going to mention it to my friends as far as it's more than just pocket knives.